That is a perfect hoisin sauce. Hi, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are going to make hoisin sauce. I don't have it, can't get it, we're going to make it. Now I'm making it with my store-bought ingredients, so if you've got it, you've got it. If you haven't, but this is how I'm going to make hoisin sauce. Let's show you how to do it. Come on. Okay, in the pan with our brown sugar, I want 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. Ordinary, smooth peanut butter. 3 tablespoons of water. 1 tablespoon of corn flour. And 2 tablespoons of gochujang Korean chili paste. That's going to give us a fantastic umami flavor in there, and a little bit of heat. Not much heat because there's not much in this. This is not the hot paste. We want 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of browning. Now this is our homemade browning, and I'll put a link on the description so you can actually make this. Now it is optional, you don't have to use browning, but because we made it, it makes a fantastic addition to this. We want 1.5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of Chinese 5 spice, about half a teaspoon of sesame oil, and a little pinch of pepper. And the optional ingredient for this is a couple of tablespoons of honey. Okay, so we want a flame on, and all we're going to do is just cook this in together. We're just going to stir it all until it dissolves. And it should make a nice thick hoisin sauce. Now the reason for actually using the peanut butter, in a hoisin sauce you have sesame paste. Now I haven't got sesame paste, but I've got sesame oil and peanut butter. So that is a really nice version of a sesame paste, if you like, for this sauce. So all we're doing is just stirring it till everything's dissolved in there and all the flavors have come together. Okay, what you can do, you can actually cook this till it thickens up a lot, but I want a nice runny thickish hoisin sauce, and as you can see that on that spatula, that is just how I want it. So that is it. That is the simplest version of hoisin sauce. So that's our flame off. Now don't forget, this will thicken slightly. Not a lot, just a little bit. That is a perfect hoisin sauce. All we need to do is give it a taste test. That is a really nice hoisin sauce. All we need to do now is bottle it up. There we are, hoisin sauce made. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.